Choosing a domain name is one of the most consequential decisions you'll make for your website. It's not only for your site either, as you'll associate the domain with most other efforts you'll do online, from social media to email. How do you pick the perfect domain from the get-go? Keep watching to find out. Consider the following. First, make sure your domain is short and memorable, because much of your business will come from word of mouth, so you want something easy to remember and unique. Most domains have been taken already, but this shouldn't stop you from picking something memorable. Think Flickr, Bebo, Shopify, or GoDaddy. Secondly, think of the brand. If you're lucky enough to find an available domain name that mirrors your intended business name, you've hit the jackpot. Your URL will not only help describe what you do without further need for explanation, but it can also help in search engine rankings and SEO. Finally, think of your online handles. Social media sites are another critical part of your brand and lead generation strategies. Double check and make sure you can register social media handles the same as your domain. This way, it's easy for customers to find you. The domain technicals. There are a few other considerations when picking a domain. A huge one is whether the .com is available. Despite the availability of top-level domain name extensions like .edu, .info, and .store, .com continues to be the gold standard. Most users start with a .com extension when they don't know the ending of a domain name. The .com extension also has the most perceived credibility among users. Another consideration is whether you'll use the localized .co.uk domain extension. The .co.uk extension is reserved for businesses located in the UK, giving you an advantage if your desired name is already taken on the .com level. Likewise, the .co.uk extension conveys your local, which can lead to higher sales since you'll find many visitors wanting to do business with local providers. Of course, if you do own both the .com and .co.uk versions of your domain, you can redirect one to the other, benefiting from both domains. The SEO factor. Likewise, you'll want to see if the domain would have an impact on your SEO. When someone searches for a product or service on a search engine like Google, Bing, or Yahoo, they type in keywords or phrases. The engines search through millions of records to find websites that correspond with these terms. If you've tried the strategies above and are still coming up empty, get creative. Use an online thesaurus or other brainstorming tools to find new ways to convey your brand. Avoid the pitfalls. Having someone swoop in and grab a variant of your domain name could confuse people and even disrupt your online efforts. So after brainstorming the domain, search for similar domain names using different spellings, extensions, or variations. Make sure you're not buying a domain with a questionable past. Ask your friends and colleagues what they think, and make sure it doesn't infringe on trademarks too. Finally, avoid misspelling domains. Don't make your domain too long, and avoid using numbers and hyphens. Follow all these suggestions and you'll find the perfect domain, no doubt. What's next? Well, get a host and get that website online. If you're looking for a host, then look no further. UK Host for You has fast and reliable hosting services you'll love. So get in touch or visit our site to get your website going. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more great info.